In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money with Zelle on M&T Bank. By the end, you'll feel confident sending money quickly and securely using your mobile banking app. We'll walk through each screen together, and I'll share a few helpful tips to keep everything smooth and accurate. Once you're in the M&T mobile banking app, look for the Send Money with Zelle option and tap it. This takes you into the Zelle experience inside your bank's app. If you're new to Zelle, just make sure you're comfortable with who you're paying and that the person can receive Zelle payments through their bank or the Zelle app. Next, add a recipient and then tap Save and Continue. When you add a recipient, you'll typically enter their display name along with either their email address or US mobile number, the contact they've linked to Zelle. Take a moment to double check spelling and numbers here. This is crucial because Zelle payments often move fast and can't be reversed if sent to the wrong person. Save the recipient so you can easily use them again in the future, then continue. Now enter the amount you want to send. Choose the account you want to send from, such as your checking account. If you want, add a short memo to help both you and the recipient remember what the payment is for, something like rent, utilities, or reimbursement for dinner. The memo is optional, but it's a great way to keep your records clear. When everything looks right, tap Next and then Submit. Before you press Submit, pause for a quick review, confirm the recipient, confirm the amount, and confirm the account you're sending from. This quick double check helps avoid mistakes. After you submit, you'll usually see an on-screen confirmation letting you know the payment is on its way. Depending on the recipient's bank and enrollment status, delivery can be almost instant. After that, you can view the transaction in Zelle Activity or go back to your account summary. Zelle Activity is where you'll see the payment status, along with the details you just entered. It's useful for tracking and for your records. If you prefer, return to your account summary to continue banking as usual. Your available balance will reflect the payment, and that's it. Your money has been sent successfully. Remember to always verify recipient details and amounts before submitting, and keep memos clear for easy reference. Thanks for watching, and now you're ready to send money with confidence using Zelle on M&T Bank.